People, if you're wondering why I'm making these weird noises, it's because I'm sick and I'm having trouble breathing. Hooray!
Wait.
Uh-oh. Ah! I got it! We're going to put 4 gigs into a computer that's supposed to have 2 gigs, which means it's going to go 2 times faster than this computer originally would go. Okay? So just look up another video like this and and I feel like I sound like and so just stay tuned, okay? I don't want to be sounding like this all over the world, and I'm going like and with like my friend Anthony. Like take example from church. You ever go to church? Then the pastor goes like, Moses did this, and then he did that. When if you want to send a video about this and stuff, go right ahead, cause I want to see it. Cause I want to know if you've gone through this and that kind of stuff. So, and when you say whatchamacallit, don't say that, okay? Cause if you tell somebody to say go get me the whatchamacallit, they're not gonna know what you're talking about. They're really not. My name is Jaden. You just saw hide and saw RAM on your computer. Good luck. Good whatever time it is in the day that you're.
No, don't say that. Good whatever. No, don't say that.
My name is Jaden. You just saw how to install RAM on your computer.
You look so angry.
I know, you're such a delicate flower. My name is Jaden. You just saw how to install RAM on your computer. Good luck to you and all the people you pray for. Goodbye.